So the Sur Ron needs some basic maintenance, and one of the things that it requires you to check every time you ride, if you're riding off-road, are the spokes. So to check the spokes, what we do is we put it up on a crate or a bike stand so we can spin the wheel freely. And what we're going to do is use just an Allen key or anything else to whack on the spokes to listen to the tune of the spokes. So you notice these actually sound a bit loose. So that one there making a noise, that's showing it's a little bit tighter. See the one next to it? They've come loose. A lot of these have come very loose. So what we're going to do, you can use a proper spoke spanner. I've just got a little shifter here. Is we're going to tighten each one just a little bit and then check its tune. Now you've got to be careful that you don't over tighten, because you'll actually pull the wheel out of true, and that's a whole nother issue where we need to use a different method to make sure that we're not getting a buckle in the rim. You hear the tune? It's gotten tighter. So we're just going to work our way around just gently. And we keep working our way around. That one's dead. That is so loose. As I said, don't over tighten them, just a little bit at a time. But it's important to make sure they are tight. At this stage, we're only just getting a little bit of sound into them. That one's dead as well. And the idea is to get the sound equal on them, and at the same time make sure the wheel is still true. Oh. You can see a lot of these are very loose. So just working my way around. It's a good idea to know where you start and finish. You can see there's still a bit of variance. At this stage, I'm just going to spin the wheel to make sure that it's true. You can put your spanner on the edge, just run it along the rim, and you'll notice the gap to see if it gets wider and narrow. That's pretty true, so that's okay. Now I'll just check the other side. So there's one there that needs a bit of tightening. On the opposite side. Okay, so you can spend a fair bit of time doing that. Main thing is to make sure there's no loose spokes in there, and just simply by tapping around them, you'll find if there's a dead one or not. Do the same on the front. Once they're all nipped up, again just double check that the wheel's true. If it is out of line, then technically what you need to do is adjust the opposite side to pull it into shape, but that takes a bit of time, a bit of effort. So just try and keep them as true as you can as you're adjusting them. Keep them nice and tight, otherwise you'll have issues.